Hi, hello, and welcome to Pashalaki channel. Let us know the history of Ellora Caves. Like, subscribe, share, and comment my channel. Ellora Caves history. Built during 600 to 1000 CE, Ellora Caves lie in the Sahyadri Hills in Aurangabad and is a 2-hour drive from the Ajanta Caves. The Ellora Caves comprise Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain temples, and over 1,000 caves, with only 34 open to the public, excavated from the basalt cliffs in the Charanandri Hills. So, there are over 100 caves at the site, all excavated from the basalt cliffs in the Charanandri Hills, 34 of which are open to public. These consist of 17 Hindu, 12 Buddhist, and 5 Jain caves, each group representing deities and mythologies prevalent in the first millennium CE, as well as monasteries of each respective religion. They were built close to one another and illustrate the religious harmony that existed in ancient India. All of Ellora monuments were built during the Ashtrakuta dynasty, which constructed part of the Hindu and the Buddhist caves, and the Yadava dynasty, which constructed a number of the Jain caves. Funding for the construction of the monuments was provided by royals, traders, and the wealthy of the region. Although the caves served as temples and the rest of for pilgrims. The site's location on the ancient South Asian trade route also made it an important commercial center in the Deccan region. It is 29 kilometers northwest of Aurangabad and about 300 kilometers east-northeast of Mumbai. Today, the Ellora Caves, along with the nearby Ajanta Caves, are a major tourist attraction in the Marathwada region of Maharashtra and a protected monument under the Archaeological Survey of India. Ellora, also called Verul or Ellura, is a short form of the ancient name Ellapura. The older form of the name has been found in ancient references such as the Baroda inscription of 812 CE, which mentions the greatness of the edifice and that this great edifice was built on a hill by Krishnaraja at Ellapura. The edifice in the inscription being the Kailasha temple. In the Indian tradition, each cave is named and has a suffix Guha. Ellora Caves, UNESCO World Heritage Center, has 34 monasteries and temples extending over more than 2 kilometers, were dug side by side in the wall of a high basalt cliff not far from Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Ellora, with its uninterrupted sequence of monuments dating from AD 600 to 1000, brings the civilization of ancient India to life. Although the deities and idols in the caves have been damaged, the paintings, carvings remain as it is. The inscriptions on the walls of the Ellora caves date back to the 6th century, and a famous one is the Rashtrakuta Danti Durga on the Mandapa of Cave 15, inscribed during 753 to 757 AD. If you are really interested to visit Ellora caves, they are open from sunrise to sunset. Ellora caves location is 400 kilometers from Mumbai and open on all the days except Tuesday.